I'm back with some human hair for one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and that's Nadula hair. Y'all know I absolutely love them. If you look in the description box, you will see a direct link to this wig as well as the details about this wig and a direct link to all of their social media websites. While you're down there, be sure to click subscribe as I upload almost daily. So it's no secret how I feel about Nadula hair. I have been buying hair from Nadula for over 5 years now. They're one of my most favorite human hair wig companies. As a matter of fact, as I've been working today, I have filmed 3 other Nadula wigs and they have all hit, so I have a feeling I'm going to love this one as well. So the wig came in the shipping, of course, and I've taken it out, but it comes in this, y'all know I say this every darn video, these little iridescent bags I love for so much. I hold so many different things in here, like makeup brushes. I even have one in my washroom for socks they go missing. So I love these little storage sacks. Not only do I have this, the wig also came with a silk storage sack with their name on it. And then the wig comes in this hard box that is also magnetic for storage. And they always include some bomb extras, okay? With this unit, they have included a brush with their name on it, an edge band with their name on it, some HG stocking caps. Hold up, because it's another little sack. Some more HG stocking caps, another edge band, some press-on nails. This little bow, y'all, I did a water wave wig and a straight wig, and they also came with this bow, and I absolutely love this bow. So hopefully I'll put some footage right there, the bow. And this little sack, I've never seen this. I'm used to all those other extras, but I'm not sure what this is. I do prefer this better. This is the necklace that they send. The little herringbone chain. Normally it's in that box, but I prefer this packaging better. And it also has their name on that little sack. Oh, okay, they do. Those little extras matter to me because some companies don't give you anything as you click submit on that order. All right, so this is going to be a wig that I love because if I look through the plastic, I can remember why I got this. Look at those curls already in there. And y'all know I can't comb hair, so this is gonna be up my alley. This is a body wave wig. It is 26 inches long. It is HD lace. It is glueless, and it is Brazilian hair, okay? Let's take it out of all of this packaging and look at this cap construction. They have also included the glueless band for this unit. Y'all, look. Oh my God. Y'all look. As somebody that cannot comb hair, to get a unit with these beautiful, gorgeous, bouncy curls already done, that is why Nadula is my #1 most favorite human hair wig company. All right, so let's look at this unit. You get quite a bit of parting space up there. I want to say that's either a 4x4 or a 5x5. I can't remember, but I will put it in the description box. They have also included, you know, that silicone band that's normally in the back of the wigs. They have taken it all the way around the perimeter of this wig minus that parting space. So that's pretty dope. It helps the wig lay flat. They've also included a comb in the back and some adjustable straps. This cap is very stretchy. Y'all, I'm in love. This is the unit right out of the pack and just directly on my hand. And I think that looks pretty good. This is one of those pre-everything wigs where everything's already been done for you. Even these gorgeous curls. What I want to do before I brush the curls out or anything, I'm going to put this on my hair so you can see how it looks right out of the pack. And then we're going to lightly brush through these beautiful curls. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts. So be right back, you guys.
Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah, baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh,
Y'all, I have filmed 4 Nadula wigs today, and Nadula has been 4 for 4. Like, they are really knocking these units out of the park. There are a lot of companies out right now that have like pre-everything wigs. Nadula truly delivered a pre-everything wig. From the pre-curls that I don't know if y'all saw, but I was so nervous to brush them out because I know I could never achieve these curls on my own. But I got my Y2 comb and gently brushed it or combed them out, and this is what we got. From the pre-curls, I don't have to glue anything, I don't have to tie anything down, and this is what we get. This is truly a beginner's dream. Not just a beginner, because like I said, I've been wearing wigs for almost 10 years now, and I still can't comb hair. So this is somebody that can't style hair. This is their dream wig. If you are a wig stylist, this is your dream wig, because this is gonna be your version of a true throw on and go. Okay, it doesn't have an awkward, I'm trying to think about all the negatives I normally have about hair, like a smell or anything. No bad smell, none of that, y'all. This is just a A+++ unit in my book. The other thing that I love about this wig is this isn't like a 13x4, it isn't like a 13x6, but I still feel like this looks pretty natural for it not to be. That is just the right amount of parting space. I love everything about this unit, y'all, and y'all know I don't normally get excited about human hair. This one is definitely a winner. If you look in the description box, I'll put a direct link to where you can go and purchase this one from Nadula, because I can't even say I do not think, I know you won't be disappointed when you get this unit home. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.